reducing electricity consumption, replace offrent meter slowing bulb with an energy-efficient LED bulb, and reduce consumption, lower electric bill.
You walks around room and reduce smither lights, switch off fans, slowing down, until we're enter to them ready to door and into an unplilly electricity bill.
Reducing your electric bill starts with using electricity more efficiently. Turn off lights, fans, televisions, computers and other appliances when they are not needed. Replace traditional bulbs with LED bulbs because they provide the same amount of light while consuming much less electricity. Also, make use of natural daylight whenever possible instead of switching on lights during the daytime. Pay special attention to high-power appliances such as air conditioners, refrigerators, water heaters, irons, washing machines, and electric ovens. Set your air conditioner to a reasonable temperature, keep refrigerator doors closed, and avoid running washing machines or other large appliances unnecessarily. Regular maintenance is also important because dirty filters, poor seals, and faulty equipment can increase electricity consumption.
Works around your room unnecessarily an energy-efficient LED bulb. Save electricity, reduce consumption, lower electric bill.
You walks around the room and reduce necessarily lights, fans, as seen as tall, and the LED with air and condition a temperature and unplugs the monthly electricity bill.